I'm Jared, and we're here talking about genuine Harley-Davidson windshield replacements for the Lowrider ST. A great looking bike, and this is the ST Wind Deflector. You can see the low profile design. This is for the rider who likes maximum style but minimal wind protection. The 2-inch tall is by comparison a little bit smaller than the OE windscreen. Now, this is going to be durable because it's fabricated out of a polycarbonate material and protected by a hard coat, and also a scratch resistant layer, so if you have any bugs or any debris, it's going to still look good. Also, with the design by Harley, the factory design maintains the sleek designs, and it's going to have some perfect fit. As far as aesthetics, opaque gold finish ties in nicely with the accents of the Lowrider ST, from the paint to the wheels. Really easy to install. You're going to utilize the OE hardware and then insert it into this ST windshield. So, got your Torx bit right here. Go ahead and remove these 6 fasteners and then reinsert them into the replacement. Removing that last fastener, be careful and just be sure your windscreen doesn't fall. You don't want any damage to it. Setting those down, you can see the size comparison. Set your hardware down, set your tool down, bring up your new windscreen, and remember to install your hardware just finger tight, just to get the threads going and getting it seated, and then you're going to utilize your tool. And there it is on the bike. It looks good design-wise. That gold opaque looks awesome, sleek, and of course it's very durable. Designed by Harley-Davidson, so it's got that nice factory fit. So check this out and many other genuine Harley-Davidson parts at your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. And for more info, go to h-d.com.